We are seeing that the raids are happening, and we've also been informed that with a lot of the finally budget approvals in order to actually staff up, that should be ramping up a lot faster, pretty exponentially shortly. So we'll likely be expecting more and more worksite enforcement investigations and raids. And with that said, I know there's been a lot on the internet about judicial warrant versus administrative warrant and what scenarios do you have to comply versus not. But the biggest thing I would say is we, at the end of the day, want to be courteous and professional, because being rude to an officer, especially when they do have the power and discretion, is not going to work to your advantage. The second is being helpful to the extent that you're being courteous without providing too much information, and then reaching out to counsel. So staying calm and collected and helpful, but reaching out to counsel in order to make sure, whether it's your in-house counsel or the attorneys that you have on call, so that they can help vet through whichever situation. There might be a scenario where they have no warrant, they just come to knock, and you may want to train your front desk and receptionist people to be able to say, hey, thank you for coming. I'm not equipped to help you, but is it okay if I take your business card and then reach out to the contact that would be able to assist you? And that way we're kind of following along the lines of being courteous, helpful, but also reaching out to counsel or the point of contact. And then if they do have a piece of paper, whether it's an administrative warrant or judicial warrant, the counsel would be able to help, especially in that scenario of, okay, wait a second, I know we only have to comply with a judicial warrant signed by a judge from a court, but we may still want to be helpful here because we don't want them to come back for some other reason.